Hey everyone, welcome back to Beautyistic. You know, we often talk about the importance of brushing our teeth, but have you ever considered the gaps between them? It's those tricky spots that your regular toothbrush can't reach. That's where interdental brushes come into play. And today, we're going to take a closer look at one of the best options on the market, the TePe Interdental Brush Original. Now you might be wondering, why should I ditch my floss and use a brush instead? Well, TePe has come up with a unique design to help clean those hard-to-reach areas effectively. This pack includes 8 brushes, each in a different size, so you can tackle every corner of your mouth. It's a little game changer, especially if you have braces, implants, or crowns. I've been using these interdental brushes for a while now, and let me tell you, they've made a noticeable difference. The ergonomic handle fits comfortably in my hand, and the flexible neck allows me to access even the most difficult areas. Plus, the plastic-coated wire is super gentle on my gums and dental work, which makes it a lot easier to avoid irritation. And for those of you who struggle with flossing, these are a breeze to use. When I tried these brushes, I was impressed by how easy it was to get into those tight spaces between my teeth. There's something about the design that feels more controlled than floss, and it gives me the peace of mind knowing my gums are getting a gentle, thorough clean. After using these consistently, I noticed a reduction in plaque buildup and felt like my breath was fresher too. Always a plus. But like any product, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. The brushes come in a variety of sizes, so it may take a little time to figure out which one works best for your mouth. If you're not sure, it's a good idea to consult with your dentist. Also, while these brushes are reusable, they do need to be replaced after a certain period to maintain their effectiveness. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you are itching to get it, the link is in the comments. As for the value, these brushes are definitely worth considering. They might be a little pricier than regular floss, but given how much easier and more effective they are, I'd say the investment is well worth it, especially for those with braces, implants, or anyone who struggles with traditional flossing. If you're not ready to commit to the TePe brushes just yet, there are some other brands offering similar products, but in my experience, nothing quite compares to the TePe's design and ease of use. Still, there are some affordable options that might suit you if you're looking for something on a budget. The TePe Interdental Brush Original is a fantastic tool for maintaining oral hygiene, especially in those tricky areas that regular toothbrushes just can't reach. I highly recommend it for anyone looking to step up their dental care routine, whether you have braces, crowns, or just want a deeper clean. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. And as always, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.